All right, this is the reason you'd never want to go buy a used car without a scanner. This is just a Harbor Freight inexpensive scanner under $50. Plug it into the OBD port and you can see if there's any codes. This particular vehicle was not showing a check engine light, which is right here. The prior owner had taken a Sharpie and colored over that so it did not shine, but went to another degree, which I'll show you, very tricky. If you open this up, inside of here, covered up the light with electrical tape. Also has the 4x4 covered up, deeper in here. A little harder to get to. That also had it covered up. So never go buy a vehicle or test drive a used vehicle, even at a dealership, without an OBD meter scanner.